Good morning, students. Hello, kids. How are you? Today we will be studying a book, English book. The name is Marigold, and we'll be studying the first poem of this book. This the name of the poem is A Happy Child. So, what is the poem all about? It is a poem of a child who is always happy. What is happy? The person who is cheerful, a merry person. So, what are the other synonyms of happy? Is cheerful and merry. So, let's see what is the poem all about. A happy child. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. So, what is the child in the poem is talking about? The child is saying, my house is red. So, can you see the house of a child? It is red in color. And see how cheerful she is looking because she is a happy child. My house is red, a little house. The house is a little one. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. And the child, she laughs and play whole day long. And she hardly ever cries. I have a tree, a green tree. So let's look at the color of the tree. Yes, it do look like it's green in color. It's a green tree to shade me from the sun. The tree is giving her shade from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. Just because she is getting shade from the sun, so she always sits under the tree when she is done with the playing. So, what is the poem all about? The poem is about a little girl who is very happy and she laugh and play the whole day long. And she laugh and play whole day long and she hardly ever cries. I have a tree, a green tree, and the tree she had is a green one which shade her from the sun, and under it she often sit when all my play is done. When all her play is done, she often sit under the tree. So let us see the new word from this chapter. The new words from this chapter are cry, day, red and sun. So kids, what is the meaning of cry? Cry is to shed the tears. For example, can you see in this picture? There's a chick who is crying. Now, meaning of day. The day is the time between sunrise and the sunset. Red. Red is a type of color. For example, apples and tomatoes, they are red in colors. So, can you see red apple? Kids, have you seen red apple? Yes, you might all have seen red apples, red tomatoes, red cherries. Sun. Sun is a star that gives heat and light. Sun, look here. It's a sun. It is a kind of star that give us heat and light. Read and match the word with a picture by drawing the line. Here kids, a picture of boy and a picture of girl is given. What you have to do? You have to match the figure. You have to match the picture with the spelling given in the box. So here it is written boy, B-O-Y, boy. Spelling of girl is G-I-R-L, girl. So over here it is written I am a boy. So which one will you choose? This one or this one? Yes, you are right. We will be choosing this, B-O-Y, boy. And for the picture given over here, I am a girl. So we should select this card for the girl, like this. Now, fun with the colors. We all love to colors. Is it right, kids? Yes, we all do. We all love to color. Fill in the box with the right color. What is the color of a happy child house? Do you remember, kid, what was the color of a happy child house? Yes, I guess you are right. The color of a happy child house was red. What is the color of your house? Now look up, look all around. What is the color of your house? What is the color of the tree? Yes, the color of the tree is green. Now what is the color of the sun? Color of the sun is yellow. So what is the color of a happy child house? This is what you're supposed to color in your book. The red color. What is the color of your house? I have colored it brown because color of my house is brown. What is the color of the tree? Color of the tree is green. And what is the color of the sun? It's yellow. Now coming on to the next question. Is there a tree growing near your house? So have you seen any tree growing near your house? So answer is yes, you might all have seen the trees near your house or near your schools. So the answer will be yes, there is a tree growing near my house, and maybe you have seen a small tree, but I have seen a big tree. So I have written it's a big tree. So and I have written this because the question is tell us about the tree. Is it a big or small? So that is why the answer is yes. There is a tree growing near my house. It's a big tree. Do you like the tree? What is the name of tree? Yes, I like the tree. The name of tree is, I have written neem because in my area neem tree are very common, but the answer might be different in your case. You might have seen a mango tree near your house or a banana tree near your house. So you have to write accordingly.